Amid ongoing rumors surrounding a potential separation between Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya Rai, Bollywood icon Amitabh Bachchan has opened up about his regrets regarding his family life. His heartfelt words have touched the hearts of fans and sparked reflection. During an emotional moment on the 16th season of Kaun Banega Crorepati, a contestant shared how 2024 became a special year for her upon learning of her pregnancy. She then asked Amitabh about his children, Abhishek and Shweta, and who had been responsible for caring for them while he focused on his career. Without missing a beat, Big B responded, "Jaya karti thi," acknowledging his wife, Jaya Bachchan, who managed the children while he was engrossed in his professional commitments. What followed was an even more poignant revelation. Amitabh expressed regret over not having spent enough time with his kids, especially during their growing years. He said, "सारा कुछ जया ने किया है। जितना समय हम अभिषेक और श्वेता के साथ बिताना चाहते थे, वो नहीं कर पाए." He explained that whenever he left for work, Abhishek and Shweta would still be asleep, and by the time he returned, they were already asleep again. Now that his children are grown, Amitabh makes the most of the time he has with them. अब जो बड़े हो गए हैं, तो उनके साथ समय बिता लेता हूँ अब, he shared, emphasizing how much he now cherishes being with them. In related news, Aishwarya Rai and Abhishek Bachchan recently made their first public appearance together in months, putting to rest the rumors about their relationship. The couple attended a high-profile event in December 2024 alongside Aishwarya's mother, Brindya Rai. Their joint appearance quickly went viral, sparking excitement among their fans. Amitabh Bachchan's emotional confession reminds us of the preciousness of family time. Despite his illustrious career, it's clear that he deeply values the moments he shares with his loved ones. What are your thoughts on his heartfelt words? Let us know in the comments below.